Do you want to be able to change your Instagram Reels audio after you have already posted it? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but it is very important that you do watch this video and actually watch this until the end to be able to make sure that this works for you, just so you know. And the first step is going to be quite simple. We need to, of course, firstly go into our Instagram account, as you can see. And now what you're going to do, which is going to be step number 2, is to locate the reel that you want to be able to change the audio on. So I'm just going to take this one right here. As you can see, I do have audio for this one right here. And let's say that because I've already posted it, as you can see, but let's say that I do want to be able to change audio on this specific reel. Well, then we can firstly click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the reel, as you can see. Now you can try to click on edit in here, as you can see, and click on advanced settings. As you can see, as of right now, this one right here doesn't really give us an option to be able to change our audio, right? So we can go back, click on 3 dots again. And as you can see, if we scroll all the way down in here, there's no way for us to actually make sure that this or rather, there's no way for us to actually edit the music or edit any kind of things in here, because unfortunately it doesn't really allow us to do so. So what we're going to do instead is to actually just remove this reel. And before you actually remove it, by the way, make sure that you actually have this specific reel that you want to be able to re-upload again. Make sure that you do already have it on your phone, because we need to actually re-upload it again. So I'm just going to delete it right here, just quickly. Then I'm going to click on the plus symbol again. Then I'm just going to re-upload it once again, as you can see. And now you can change the audio to whatever you want on this one right here, and basically re-upload it once again. Unfortunately, as of right now, this is the only way that you can actually change your audio on your Instagram Reels after you have already posted it. So basically, this is exactly how to do it. You can now upload it again, and hopefully this will work for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.